Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to view the header and the footer of your sheet on Microsoft Office Excel. So now open your uh, Microsoft Excel sheet and follow these simple steps. There is two methods to view the header and the footer of your sheets. First one is to go to the view menu here. After that, after clicking on the view tab or the view menu in the ribbon, we will click on the page layout on the workbook views. So here I have the layout, and here, as you can see, those are all the pages of your uh, sheet. So obviously, every sheet has many pages because it can't. It is impossible for a paper page to have, or a normal page to have, or to contain all the rows and columns of the sheet. So they are divided by sheets and divided by pages, and each page has its own header and footer. So now you can add your own header. So just have header one and footer one. So as you can see, I have here in the page layout, uh, I have my header here that is showing and my footer here. The second method to see the header and footer is by going to the bottom of the page. In here, we will find this window mode or page display mode. Here we have the page layout mode, and we are going to click on it. And of course, it will show our headers and footers of page. So as you can see, each page has, each sheet has its own header and footer. So as you can see here, the footer is repeated because it's the same sheet. So basically, this is how you view your header and footer of your sheet. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.